Pakistan Scouts Association and UNICEF discussed future cooperation. Islamabad, December 4, 2024. An important meeting was held at the national headquarters of Pakistan Scouts Association, PSA, to explore future collaboration between PSA and UNICEF. The meeting brought together senior officials from both institutions for initial discussions aimed at strengthening youth development programs and promoting gender balance in Pakistan. UNICEF was represented by Ms. Reddy, Head of Advocacy and Communications, and Ms. Fahmida, Gender and Development Specialist. Chief Commissioner Sarfaraz Qamar led the delegation on behalf of Pakistan Scouts Association. He was accompanied by Director Training Liaquat Awan, Director Youth Program Mian Naik Akhtar Javed, and Deputy Director International Affairs Tauseef Siddiqui. The discussion revolved around gender balance in Pakistan, youth welfare, and enhancing the role of scouting in empowering girls. Both parties emphasized the importance of cooperation in addressing the challenges faced by young people, especially girls, and agreed on the need to leverage scouting's wider reach and UNICEF's expertise to achieve these goals. The meeting concluded with a joint commitment to make 2025 a transformative year for youth development in Pakistan. The two organizations pledged to work together on initiatives that will contribute to a healthier and more productive future for the country's youth, especially girls.